I want to give you a quick behind the scenes look as to what our community looks like when you become a member. This is what our forums look like. Our very first forum is our first day of school forum. This is where you will come when you join our community and introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself, and the rest of us in our community will give you a huge, warm welcome. Our next forum is called our Teachers Lounge Forum. This is where all the action happens. If you have any questions about anything, whether it could be anything from working with students, working with coworkers, working with parents, this is where you will go to ask your questions and get answers. Next, we have our staff meeting forum. This is where you can come and just vent after a difficult day without judgment. You can come here knowing that your feelings are valid and they will be supported, and you can do it confidentially, and it's not going to go anywhere else beyond our community. Next is our daily flash forum. This is where all of our bell ringers live. So all you have to do is just click this link right here to access all of our bell ringers. Next, we have our How I Teach forums. I have started to record videos of how I teach certain concepts. And so far we have a video on how I teach integers, which includes additional resources as well. Then we have how I teach subtracting integers. And again, we also have additional resources. And then how I teach long division with additional resources. This forum is going to be regularly updated as the needs of our members make requests. Next, we have our lesson plans forums. So as you can see, I can just keep on scrolling because there's so much in our lesson plans forum. But I want to show you a little bit of what things look like. So for those of you who have to submit lesson plans on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, every lesson plan is already available. So you'll click the link, you'll hit open, and this 1-2 lesson plan is all about orders of operation. So it's going to come up right here, as you can see. It tells you what Common Core standard is being covered. It tells you the bell work and the procedure, everything that you will need. If you are a teacher in Texas, we also have the same lesson plan for the Texas TEKS. You will also be able to access our orders of operation, in this case, PowerPoint. So you'll click the 1-2 orders of operation and it all comes up. So we have slides with definitions, the rules, examples, practice problems, and checking our answer. You will also have access to extended practice questions. So I like to use my extended practice questions as homework or just classwork. And as you can see here, this particular extended practice page has 22 questions and 25 questions, and then an answer key. Everything comes with an answer key to make your life a little bit easier. With our 1-2 orders of operation, we also have task cards. So I want to show you quickly what that looks like. So we have task cards and again, an answer key. I love task cards. They are so versatile. You can use them for so many things: individual practice, partner practice, whole group. The possibilities are endless. We also have orders of operation maze activity. I love these maze activities. They start here, they work their way through the maze, and then they have to find the end. And of course, again, there's an answer key. These maze activities have been a huge hit with my students this past school year, and I think you will love it too. There's obviously so many more lesson plans and concepts that we cover. And when you become a member of our community, you will have access to all of these things. We also have chapter tests for each chapter. There's classroom games. And we also have a Share Your Stuff forum where you can come share the awesome things that you're doing in your classroom so we can all benefit. And then we have more trainings in our trainings forum. That's it. You will have instant access to all of these amazing things.